Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning on the dashcam, enter Wi-Fi pairing mode.
Please connect your app to activate the dashcam.
Go to App, open, agree, connect to your account, and now tap plus in the top right corner. Use Bluetooth, and now select rotating lens. Allow and select your dashcam.
Click the power button to authorize.
Click power button. Tap start. Connect. And now connect to your dashcam Wi-Fi. Default password is numbers from 1 to 8. Now when we are connected, go back to the app. Got it. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.